What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Khadija. Welcome to my channel. So we are back with another hair tutorial, and today we are working with Sunber hair. This is their packaging. I'm just going to show you guys what I received in my package. So this is our goodie bag for today. It comes with a wig cap, melting strap, and eyelashes. And this is a wig for today. Today's wig is a 13x4 ginger brown transparent lace wig. It comes pre-plucked with pre-made baby hair and with the strap on for easy install. This is it. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Sunber hair, their website is in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is a wig for today. It is a 13x4 ginger brown transparent lace deep wave wig. This is it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the inside. Same as a wig cap, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and put some foundation on my lace. But this is what our lace is looking like. Again, this is their transparent lace unit. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some foundation on my lace and then we install it. So this is what our wig is looking like with the foundation on. This is it. Again, it comes with the strap on for easy beginner friendly install. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. Alright guys, so this is what our wig is looking like. It is super soft, super fluffy. It came with pre-made baby hair. This is it. And again, this is their transparent lace. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the install. Again, this unit is from Sunber hair. This is their 13x4 transparent lace ginger brown deep wave wig, and this is it. The link for this unit is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Sunber hair, their website is in my description as well. So go ahead and make your purchase. Remember to use my special code to get your discounts. This is what our wig is looking like, uncustomized, straight out the box. This is it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my install. So I just finished cutting the ear tabs off. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and glue my wig. Today I'll be using the olive oil wig grip spray to install my unit. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. Alright guys, so I just finished gluing my wig. This is it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off, but this is what it's looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off. Alright guys, so I just finished gluing my wig, and I know it looks a little bit ashy right now, but I'm just gonna apply some glue around the hairline, tie it down, let it dry. But this is what it's looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some glue around the hairline, tie it down, let it dry, and then we finish up our wig. But this is it. Just gonna go ahead and finish this up. Alright guys, so I just finished applying the glue to the hairline, and listen, this is what it's looking like. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down, let it dry while we finish up our wig. Again, this wig is from Sunber here, and the link to this unit is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Sunber here, their website is in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is what our wig is looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Guys, so this is the finished look. This is it, and honestly I am in love with this look. It turned out super cute. It was super easy to install. The lace smells so good, and honestly it is just given flawless. The curls are super bouncy and super tight, and I just love how it came out. The wig is given super cute and I love it. This is it. Super soft, super bouncy. This is it. Let's take a moment and appreciate how cute this wig looks. Again, this wig is from Sunber here, and this is their 13x4 transparent lace ginger brown deep wave wig, and this is what it's looking. It is given. It is super soft. It is given everything that it's supposed to give right now. It is giving cute. It is giving laid. It is giving natural at the roots. Like, I love it. Honestly, it is just super pretty and I am in love with this unit. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Sunber here, the website is in my description as well. So go ahead and make your purchase. This is the finished look. This is it. The curls are super soft. Overall, this unit is just perfect. The lace smells so good. The curls were easy to achieve. It comes pre-plucked, already customized, ready for a beginner-friendly install. This is it. This is how it looks. This is how pretty it looks. This is it, guys. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.